Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new with me, my name is Lonnie, and in today's video we are doing several mini projects in the garden. So it's been a minute since I posted, just because I've been very busy at work. I have little projects that started accumulating, and today I have the opportunity to go ahead and do some of them. So I'm gonna keep this short, turn it around, and show you what we're gonna be doing today. So one of the projects today is going to be planting several of these. Aren't these beautiful? These are from Monrovia, and they're just so pretty. But I'm going to show you the tag. It is perennial full sun from Monrovia, and it's the Poco Orange Hot Poker. These are from Lowe's, and they were $13.98 a piece. I am ex-military, so I got a 10% discount on those. So make sure you use your discount, everyone, if you're ex-military or active duty. And as you can see, there's some bare spots here. So if I have any plants that I have stored away, or any plants that look pretty rough that needs to be retransplanted, I'll be doing that as well. And guys, oh my gosh, some of these are looking beautiful now that we got most of the water issue fixed. And some of it is looking a little rough because the water issue is not fixed. So we're going to be handling that as a project as well. As you can see, I have another soaker hose. If you're interested in seeing how these are installed, just look for my video. It was a couple videos ago on installing soaker hose. So go and check that video out. My husband did an excellent job doing that part of the garden. And then we just need to now go over here. When I say we, it's me, because he is on a graduation vacation to see our handsome godson graduate from high school. So I will be doing this on my own, which that's not going to be a problem. I'm just going to have to dig. I already intertwined it in between the plants where I needed to water. And so I think this will be fine. Guys, oh my gosh, look how good my peppers look. Look how big my peppers are. Look at that plant. It's huge. These are definitely ready to be eaten. We had some, oh, sorry about the shadows. We had some heat wave, and so it was pretty crusty for a little bit, but watered it deeply and it came back just fine. This right over here was another little project, and I made a short about this, so if you're interested, please check that out. But mostly I'm now using this bed as a rehab bed. So anything I see in the garden and I'm not able to transplant in the location that I want to retransplant it in, I'm going to start putting it in this bed. This one has a set time sprinklers system in it, and I feel like the set time with the amount of soil and the mulch covering it is going to help it recoup. And I'm either going to retransplant the plants that are in here into other locations when they're ready, or I'm going to just keep them in this bed. And as of right now, I'm thinking everything that's in here, I will most likely keep in this bed because it's just looking really good. Right now, we are in my turtle habitat / dog run. So as you could see, the turtles are already hiding out. Do you see them, guys? Right there. And it definitely needs to get some work done in here. I need to clean out their water dish. My poor babies. I gave them some fruits and romaine today for their breakfast. More water dishes that I need to clean out. It's been so hot. They've been digging everywhere to find that moisture to cool down. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this down. Oh, there's Rocky in the rockiest space. Very appropriate. The winds knocked down one of their hideaways, so I need to readjust that. Some of the kale, because I haven't been able to water, has perished, and so has the geranium. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of work I need to do in this bed for my little boxies, and so I'm going to be working on that too. All right, guys, let's get started. It is so crazy, guys. Like, on this side of the yard, it's perfect. Got some overcast, got some trees, and so it is so pleasant to work on this side of the yard. But where the box turtle is and where my raised beds are, it is so hot and I'm sweating. And it is so hot in that corner that I literally feel like the sweat is dripping down my face. Can you guys see that? So let's hurry up and get this done because it is hot today. Hi, Rocky. Yay, you did it! Almost done with the turtle habitat and the dog run. So happy with that. This specific area does not have any sulfur hose or sprinkler system that hits it. So I usually come out here once a week to water this by hand. And back to my mums. I'm sorry, guys, but I just need you guys to see how pretty they are. So these were on the clearance rack at Lowe's last year. It was like 70% off, and it's totally worth it. Wait until that 70%, 60 to 70% clearance markdown comes at Lowe's during the fall time, and grab as many mums as you can. They will come back here. If they have some green to it, and when you kind of take it out of the pot and you see roots, they're nice and white, and there's plenty of roots kind of bounding in a circle, then you know that there's enough roots to work with. And if it's green and the stems are flexible, like bendable, get it. It's an indicator that that plant is still going to thrive. You might have to baby it for that first winter, but other than that, it will come back for you. Look how beautiful they are. Hi, Gamora. Hi, Smush Smush. Hi. Hi. Oh, nothing like taking a little break with the puppies. Hi, Herkies. Oh, goodness. Oh, my God, your breath is so bad. Oh. Oh my goodness, guys. Whew. It took me about 30 minutes to install this by myself. And what I did was I just dug a trench. I already lined it exactly where I wanted to go, especially around the plants that I know needs more water than the ones that are more drought tolerant. And then I weaved it in between the plants that needed more water. And with that trench, I just backfilled it with the dirt that I already scraped out. And all I gotta do is once a week, put the hose, sorry about my shadow, guys, but attach my hose to this and let it go, and then I'll be good to go. It's not gonna be 100% perfect, but it's gonna be better than what we have, which is nothing currently. And like I said, if you're a busy parent and you're a working parent, then you already know the garden always goes second to the family. So if anything can help you in the garden, I say completely do it. And putting in a soaker hose was definitely one of those things that was going to help me save time so I could focus my time on other things like my baby. I don't know if you guys could see, but I am drenched. I am so tired, and I am thinking I'm going to need to come back in a little bit, take a little rest, and then go from there back onto planting my hot pokers, which are right here. Look how pretty those are. Oh, goodness. You guys see them? Yeah, they're so pretty. So I'm going to take a little break, wipe this sweat off my face, get something to drink. I'm going to go ahead and plant those hot pokers, and I have some soil. I'm going to go ahead and get that soil and replenish some of my pots. Oh, I can't even talk right now because it's so hot out. But after that, I think I am done for most of the projects, garden projects that I have scheduled for today. The camera does not do these hot pokers justice. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how pretty they are. Look at that. It's so vibrant, and it's like an ombre color. So beautiful, and it's perennial. So I'm really, really looking forward to having these come back every year. And I think that pop of color in this corner is going to be very, very nice, because we have this ombre orange hot pokers. Then we have some orange and red lantanas here. And I got some red hot pokers from last year's clearance rack in that corner right here. And then I have my lemon coral sedum right here. They're bouncing back from all those watering issues that I was talking about a few videos ago, but they're doing pretty good. I have my pomegranate here. Pomegranate in zone 8B does not need anything from you. And if you decide to give it water, it's like, oh, thank you. But other than that, like, you don't really have to maintain it whatsoever. It is a very solid, strong plant for the desert. And then here, the blooms just fell off recently for my other orange and red lantana. All I got to do is just prune it a little bit more, and so it could encourage new growth and new blooms to show. And yeah, I'm so out of breath. I am tired. So let me just turn the camera off for a little bit, and I'll be right back, guys. Oh my goodness, it is so hot. So this is what I use. It's from Home Depot. It's Kellogg's Organics, and it is raised bed and potting mix, all natural. And it says premium mix for outdoor containers. So hopefully it has everything I need. Oh my God, I look crazy. Look at my hair. Oh well, gardening life is thug life. Look how pretty they are. It's going to be more beautiful now that I gave it some more soil. Any of the spent blooms is easy. You just got to pull them off. The final landscape project for today is planting my orange hot pokers from Monrovia. And I think I'm going to put them in that corner just because the view is going to look very nice with a pop of orange in the corner. And with the height of these plants, it's going to be very eye-catching. So I think this will be a great spot for it. Thank you so much for watching, and this is where I say goodbye. My mic decided to die on me at this moment, but thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and until we see each other again, have a good one. Bye.